Need to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus? I will show you two easy methods to bring it back to factory settings, so watch till the end to find the method that works best for you. So the first method directly works from your Galaxy Tab settings, so you have to open up your settings. So scroll down and tap on General Management. Then select Reset. Now choose Factory Data Reset. Now you will see a list of everything that will be erased after the reset. So if you're sure, tap Reset, enter your lock screen passcode, and then tap Delete All. Enter your Samsung account password if prompted and press OK. And see, your tablet will shut down and restart, resetting everything to factory settings. Once it powers back on, you will see the welcome screen with Start menu. Now the second method, first you have to power off your Galaxy Tab completely. Then connect it to a PC or Mac using a Type-C to C cable. Now wait until the charging prompt appears on the screen. Now you have to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. Now when you see the Samsung logo, you have to press and hold the volume up button until your tablet will enter recovery mode. Now use the volume buttons to scroll and stop when see the option Web Data or Factory Reset. Then press the power button to select it. Now on the next screen, scroll to Factory Data Reset and press the power button again to confirm. When it's done, go to Reboot System Now and hit the power button one last time. And it's done. Now your Samsung Tab powers back on and you will see the welcome screen again with the Start menu. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.